Hi, nice to see you again. Today I will make a 궁중떡볶이. It's in English, royal tteokbokki. You know, Korean tteokbokki is very famous street food. But today's tteokbokki is long time ago, royal family used to eat for their snack. So it mixed with meat and some vegetable together. So now I start to cook. First, I will introduce the ingredients. The first, this is rice cake for tteokbokki and some seasonings and carrot, onion. This is chopped leek and some minced beef and garlic. First, you boil the water. So in the pot, I will pour some water and boiling. So wait in a minute. And now I'll cut this rice cake. This is, we call 가래떡. You can make a 떡국 with this or tteokbokki or many things. So I will cut it half. And then if you soak the seasonings well, I think better to cut it half like this. Cut it half. Okay. And then wait until the water boiling. Cut the carrot. Maybe you slice it thinly. Okay. And put it here. And some onions. It also, I will cut, slice thinly. Now it's boiling the water. So you put this rice cake into the boiling water. You boil it about for a minute, not too long. Just this is doing that. It keep from sticking together because the rice cake is sticking together very easily. So when you fry it, after that I will stir fried it, and then it's sticking together is very difficult to cook. So I will boil first. Maybe it's ready. You can take it out from the boiling water and drain the water from it. And then just leave it for some time. The water comes out. And wait. Okay. And now I will add some seasoning to the beef. So first, I need a bowl. In the bowl, you put this beef. And here, first you put some soy sauce, 1.5 soy sauce, spoon soy sauce, and this is sesame oil, 1 spoon of sesame oil, and mixed it. And here, and 2/3 of a spoon minced garlic and mix it. Okay, and here I think put some sugar. Okay, now put it aside in a minute. Okay, so its water is all drained, and you put in a bowl. You put this rice cake in a bowl. And also here, you put some soy sauce. 2 spoons of soy sauce. Put 2 spoons of soy sauce and 1 spoon of sesame oil. And mix it. Because of sesame oil, it keeps sticking together. Okay, and then it's ready. So I will fry it. Not too high level of heat. Here, first you need to put some cooking oil. Not too much because already we put sesame oil in the rice cake. So here you first put this chopped leek. Okay. Here you first put this seasoning the beef. Okay. You stir fry it when the meat half cooked, and then put this sliced carrot and onions. If it's too much cooked, you put some little water in it, not oil. So when stir fried, and you put some little water, pour some water little by little. Okay, and some more water. When the vegetable is all cooked, and you put this rice cake. Oh, stir fried. Okay, and some more water. Okay, then I complete this 궁중떡볶이. So turn off the stove, and I will put in the bowl. Okay, ready? Put it in the bowl, and I think we need some sesame seeds. Sprinkle sesame seeds, okay. I I think finish the 궁중떡볶이. This is the 궁중떡볶이. So ready to eat. Nowadays, health is really important things. So we eat proper, nice, healthy food and keep our health. Okay? It's complete. See you. Take care.